Hi, my name is Helen and I work for the Mississauga Library. Today for the STEAM Club, we're going to try a super cool science experiment. So the supplies that you are going to need today is a plastic Ziploc bag full of, about 2/3 full of water, and some sharp pencils or pencil crayons. And if you're not doing this experiment over the sink or a bathtub or outside, I would suggest that you have something to collect the water in just in case your experiment doesn't work, and perhaps some towels ready. As I said, you're going to be using pencils or sharp pencils or pencil crayons. I don't have pencils or pencil crayons, but I have this really sharp wand, so I'm going to be using this for my experiment. So how many of you think that I can take this wand and pierce the bag all the way through without all of the water leaking out? I know it sounds pretty incredible. You will take the bag and put your sharp pencils or pencil crayons through the bag from one end to the other, and you will see if the water leaks out. Now, a couple of things that I want to point out is your pencils or pencil crayons must be sharp, and when you poke your pencil or pencil crayon through the bag, you have to do it quickly. You can't do it slowly. So you can't go really slow through. You have to put it through rather quickly. So let's go ahead and try this and see if it works. So here's my bag. As you can see, here's my wand, and let's see. Ta-da! Success! Is it leaking? No, it's not leaking. Now, when I pull my wand out, it will leak. So how is it that it didn't leak when I pierced the bag? Now, when you try it, you're going to be able to pierce the bag with many pencils before it starts to leak. So you might be wondering, how did that actually work? Well, Ziploc baggies are made of polymer, and polymer has long chains of molecules that are flexible. So when you poke your pencils or pencil crayons through the baggie, the pencil slides between the chain of molecules that make up the polymer. The molecule chains make a seal around the pencil or pencil crayon that won't let the water out. Pretty cool, eh? So now you can try this experiment with your family and see if they believe that you will be able to stab your pencils or pencil crayons through your bag of water without it leaking. So thank you for joining me today. Please visit our website for details on what's up and coming on our digital 24/7 services, where you can download ebooks, audiobooks, music, magazines, and so much more. Thank you.